In the world of bespoke automobiles, few cars stand out as much as the 1941 Cadillac Duchess. This one-of-a-kind vehicle was crafted specifically for Edward VIII, the former King of England, who had famously abdicated the throne in 1936 to marry Wallis Simpson. After his abdication, the royal couple moved to New York, and it was here that Edward commissioned what would become one of the most luxurious, custom-made cars of its era. With a price tag of $14,000 in 1941, roughly $300,000 today, the Duchess wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of grandeur, exclusivity, and unmatched craftsmanship. The Duchess was a true masterpiece of design and engineering. Cadillac, already renowned for its luxury vehicles, rose to the occasion and built a car unlike anything else on the road. The design and construction were entirely bespoke, with every component carefully crafted to meet the tastes and desires of the royal customer. No part of the Duchess was shared with standard Cadillac production models, making it a truly unique creation. The car's design was the brainchild of some of the most talented figures in the automotive industry at the time, including Harley Earl and Bill Mitchell, who worked closely with the GM art and color section. The bodywork of the Duchess combined elegance with cutting-edge technology, showcasing Cadillac's commitment to both style and innovation. Externally, the car was understated yet sophisticated, with chrome accents kept to a minimum for a more refined look. The body panels were hand-turned and hand-fitted, ensuring a flawless finish. A gold-plated hood ornament was the only clue to its exclusivity. Under the hood, the Duchess featured Cadillac's standard flathead V8 engine, producing 150 horsepower, a respectable amount of power for the time. This was paired with a 4-speed hydramatic transmission, offering a smooth and powerful driving experience. Edward VIII, a known automobile enthusiast, often drove the car himself, relishing in the performance and comfort it provided. Inside, the Duchess was a sanctuary of luxury. The custom broadcloth upholstery, dyed in a rose color, complemented the rich Wilton wool carpets and walnut wood accents, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The car was equipped with power windows, a rare feature for its time, as well as hydraulically actuated side windows and an electrically operated privacy glass divider for added exclusivity. For entertainment, the Duchess was ahead of its time. It featured 2 radios, one for the front row and one for the back, each with preset buttons tuned to New York radio stations. The rear radio even had a vacuum-powered antenna that was discreetly hidden in the trunk. Additional luxurious touches included dual automatic heaters, a pipe rack, and 4 velvet-lined jewelry boxes, further enhancing the car's lavish appeal. The Duchess was also a technological marvel, incorporating several features that were groundbreaking in 1941. Among these were sealed beam headlamps, safety glass, hydraulic brakes, and independent front suspension, innovations that would become standard in later years. These features, along with its refined design, made the Duchess a technological and luxury icon in its own right. Despite its extraordinary specifications, the Duchess was not just a car, it was a statement. At $14,000, it was more than the cost of most homes in the 1940s and was far beyond the average American car, which was priced at around $850. The royal couple owned the Duchess until 1952, during which it racked up nearly 20,000 miles. After changing hands several times, it was eventually stored in a barn, where it fell into disrepair. However, in the 1990s, the car underwent a meticulous $400,000 restoration, bringing it back to its former glory. Today, the Duchess is considered one of the most valuable and historically significant classic cars in the world, frequently displayed at prestigious events such as the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance. The 1941 Cadillac Duchess is more than just an automobile, it's a symbol of luxury, craftsmanship, and a royal legacy. A true testament to Cadillac's ability to create vehicles for the world's most discerning clients, the Duchess is a timeless reminder of the extravagant desires of royalty and the extraordinary lengths to which automotive manufacturers would go to fulfill them.